Welcome back to the classroom. Have you ever accidentally washed your USB drive with important files? How about losing photos after formatting a drive? Ever suffered a sudden data loss from a crashed PC? Well, don't worry, because today we're exploring AOMEI MyRecover, a powerful free data recovery tool that helps you restore lost files in minutes. So let's jump in. AOMEI MyRecover is a user-friendly data recovery tool designed to restore deleted or lost files from hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, SD cards, and even formatted or corrupted disks. It supports over 200 file types, including documents, photos, videos, and emails. AOMEI MyRecover offers relatively quick recovery scans, high recovery success rates, and an easy-to-use interface. Let's see how to restore a few lost files in just a few clicks. Now let's take a walk through using AOMEI MyRecover to restore some lost files I deleted earlier. First, go download and install AOMEI MyRecover. You can snag the free download from the link in the video description or visit AOMEI's official website. After installing, let's open the software and select the drive where your lost files were stored. Next, a quick scan finds recently deleted files, while a deep scan recovers files from formatted or damaged drives. Lastly, select the files you need and click Recover. Generally, you'd want to save recovered files to a different drive, but for this video, I'll just drop them back on the same drive. AOMEI MyRecover stands out because of its good file recovery success rate, straightforward and easy-to-use interface, and decent recovery scanning speeds. So whether you're dealing with an accidental deletion, mistaken drive formatting, or a system crash, AOMEI MyRecover makes data recovery pretty easy in most cases. Let's recap some of the pros and cons of AOMEI MyRecover. Pros: there's a 100% free version that offers good scanning. It supports over 200 file types for recovery. It works on hard drives, SSDs, USBs, and SD cards. Cons: limited free data recovery size before upgrading to Pro. Deep scans take a little longer than other softwares. AOMEI MyRecover is a good recovery tool for anyone who needs fast, reliable, and consistent data recovery. Whether you've accidentally deleted files or need to recover from a system crash, it's one of the better tools available right now. I hope you found this data recovery video helpful. If so, please be sure to like and subscribe for more looks at softwares that can make your digital life easier. Otherwise, we'll see you next time in the classroom. Bye-bye, everybody.